So we're back in London. This is my hometown, so it's really nice to end the tour here. We've done Barcelona, Paris, Amsterdam. Amsterdam was incredible. And now we're off to finish the Europe side of the tour in Hyde Park. There's a big crew coming for this one. They had a ride last night, but it rained London as it does. So they're all hungry for a ride. They're gonna meet us. Got the Raptor 2 and a little DIY board to play with. And yeah, pretty keen. Like, it's carnival in London right now, so it's pumping. Like, it's really good vibe around town. So it should be really good. Yeah, good. Hey, man.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, boy. Tell me about this.
It's scary. It's a 7384 APS 4 kilowatt motors, 200 kVs, on 1 to 5 gear reduction.
Yeah.
Running 2 Fox boxes in a dual heatsink case, under 90 amps each, mod battery amps, running 50 MC plus maximum, something like that, and 12S, 8 hours.
12S.
Yeah.
4P.
3P.
Nice.
Wow, this thing is I was like, it doesn't stop going.
What do you reckon?
Oh, that's really cool actually. I didn't think I'd be able to make the 180 turn just carving around, but it actually you can carve a bit better than you think.
Nice.
This is awesome. Man, I love it. My legs are twitching from the speed, from the adrenaline.
Yeah.
I love it. This is amazing, man. Finally, I get to try. Thank you so much.
What do you reckon?
Lots of power, man.
Great.
Yeah, just keep going and going and going and going and going.
I was like, I can't.
Fucking that was terrifying. That is awesome. It was smooth though.
Did you hit top?
Can I
Sorry?
try
Did
again?
you hit top speed?
No.
Can I try again?
I think it's just really smooth. Yeah, and it's quiet. And
Yeah.
it's like you need
like
glasses.
I want to go.
You get tears in your eyes.
I was bracing myself like, come on, it's gonna kick me.
Yeah.
Oh shit, oh, it's cool. Oh shit,
Yeah.
oh shit.
You just keep, you know what to do. Just keep going and
Yeah.
going and
That's
going.
it.
It's so smooth.
Yeah, here in Hyde Park, like a lot of crew have rocked up and they're loving it. All these guys here. What do you reckon?
Yeah,
Great.
love it.
Yeah.
It's awesome. It's nice. It's just nice.
Good.
It's really so smooth, so quick. Quiet. I love it. I love it.
That's great. Good consensus is it's really quick, really smooth. Bit of like discussion about belt drive versus hub motor, but look at him. Boom. Really, like nothing tops the torque we're getting out of this. Like belt drive's good for certain reasons, but when it comes to like that thrill on the Raptor 2, that's topping it for everyone here. Wild. Yeah. Can I try 180? Boom. So yeah, we just finished the London event, and we're ending the Europe side of the tour. Just had an amazing meetup here in London. We're just down here in Hyde Park. Like, everyone had to go on the board. Like, incredibly impressed by the power. Such a good crew as well. Like, these guys are really into it. Really keen to see how the US side of the tour goes. So if you've been watching these videos, you know, keep your eye out. Rowan's heading over to the States once he's done with China. And then he's going to be running a whole series of events out there. We're going to keep the vibe going. Yeah, stay tuned. We'll keep you more updates on production, more cool videos. But yeah, thanks for watching my section of the tour, and take care. Cheers, guys. Cheers. Bring it in. Yeah.